Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day wherever you are. And today's video is going to be a 3 looks 1 palette using the Mini Controversy palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics in collaboration with Shane Dawson. We already did a 3 looks 1 palette for the big conspiracy palette, but today the Mini Controversy palette is the star of the show, so we're going to do 3 looks. We're going to do a wearable, everyday look, kind of neutral look. We're going to do a colorful look, as well as a darker look, which is this one seen here. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get to today's video. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, I'd love if you did that. It's free and stuff. And let's go ahead and get to the video. Alright, hello guys. So let's go ahead and get started with the first look for the Mini Controversy palette. So, I want to do like a neutrally look, again like I did for the 3 looks 1 palette with the conspiracy palette. Let's do a neutrally look first, then we'll do something a little grungier, then we'll do a colorful one. I think that's a really good way to go, so you have a little bit of everything in here. So first thing we're going to dip into is Flat Earth. I'm going to set underneath my brow bone with this color. I do have a lot of staining on my eyelid from the last look I did on the conspiracy video. Yeah, the conspiracy video, I almost said controversy video. Like, I have a lot of pink staining, so I need to go ahead and set this. I'm going to set this underneath the brow. This is kind of like a icy blue shade. It's actually really pretty and very nice. For being a pastel blue, it's cute. I'm not going to pack this on too much because it is a neutral color story we're going for this. I just wanted something a little bit different instead of just browns in this look. So I don't think it's going to be too noticeable at the finish, but I just wanted to try it out. Next shade we're going to go to and go ahead and set everything else is Cry on My Couch. I really like the way this shade looks. I'm actually just going to use this little mirror. It's a nice little mirror. I'm just setting the rest of my crease area with this color. It's a very, very light shade. I do slightly wish this was a little bit darker just so I can put like this in the crease. But this is a good setting, like setting your eyelid kind of shade. And it's kind of a creamy color, so it's going to work on more than just a really fair skin tone, which like a matte white often looks different on different people. So this kind of color is more universal. We have like blue, tan, pink, because I still have staining. So we're going to go into Diet Root Beer now, which is also in the big palette. I really like this. This is also really pigmented, so tap off the excess if you don't want a lot of pigment. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the crease. What I'm going to do now on a flat brush is my boyfriend's purse, which is right here, and put this all over the lid except for the very, very outer corner. This is the shade I want to dip into the most. You guys already know. I love a light shimmer. So this isn't as metallic-y. This is more, I would say, it's kind of a satiny finish compared to like some other metallic ones in here. This is kind of more of a satin. The very, very tippity outer corner, I'm going to take My Apology, which is this shade right here, and just pack it on the lid area. We're not going to go too much in the crease. Just wanted the very, very outer corner to have a little bit of color. And it kind of matches my hair a little bit. I have been filming and editing since 10 a.m. and it's almost 7 p.m. right now, and I haven't taken a break at all. Like, I ate a mini bag of Cracker Jack, but I have not taken a break at all, and I'm starting to feel it. Like, I did the first impressions today, and I did the 3 looks 1 palette on the conspiracy palette, and now I'm doing the first look. I'm just going to do the first look for the mini one today. Like, that's a long day for me, plus editing time. Like, I'm going to be up all night. I gotta take a break eventually. After this video, I definitely need to take a break. I'm going to go into My Apology on a bigger blending brush and just buff it over the crease a little bit. I just want to keep this red going a little, just right here. But yeah, and some people say YouTubers are lazy, and some people are. But holy crap, some of us take long days. And I know I'm doing this to myself, but like I want to get these things out, and if I film a lot of it, I can take tomorrow and kind of chill and edit a lot. But holy crap, this is a lot of work. This is a lot of work. Like, I'm used to like working and busting my butt and put a video every day, doing a video every day, but multiple looks is a lot. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Diet Root Beer, which is the middle shade, and I'm just going to dust this under there with the big E59 shader brush, which is like a really, really fat brush. Just keep this really diffused and soft. Alrighty, here's our really soft neutral look. I'm going to pop on some mascara, lashes, lipstick, and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look using the Mini Controversy palette. So this is the first look for the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I think it's Really cute, really subtle, really simple. I definitely think if you were just like on the go, ready to go to work, you could just dust these two over the crease and a little bit of this on the lid and you'll be good to go. You don't even have to put this on the lid if you don't want to shimmer at all. Just like buff these two, mix them together over the crease and you're good to go. Honestly, I like the little pop of like Ready Purpley that we have here from the Apology shade. It's really cute. It's kind of like a nice maroon. Even though it was a shimmer, it applied really nicely over the crease when I blended it out with the blending brush. And under the lower lash line, we just used a little bit of a brown. It's really cute. So this is the first look. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. And now let's move on to the next two looks. Also, you guys, I forgot to mention that my highlight for this look is actually the shade Ranch from the Big Conspiracy palette. It is just so pretty. It fits my FO3 Sigma brush, like my favorite highlighting brush, perfectly. So this highlight is just the shade Ranch from the Conspiracy palette. And I'm kind of dying over it. It's really pretty. Alright, hello. I have no idea what we're doing for this look. I just know that my skin feels like crap today. So we're going to do blue to distract it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like light to blue. Sure, I guess. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Flat Earth and buff it all over our crease. Like we did for the first look, just this one's actually going to have more blue in it, then I'm not just going to cover this up. Now I'm going to take the shade Cancelled, which is this middle blue matte right here. And I'm going to put this on the outer portion of the crease and a little bit on the lid. Dipping in a little bit to this shade right here, Cry on My Couch, just to blend underneath the brow bone. Blue is really harsh, but it's distracting from how my skin feels today. I was going to do like a blue halo eye, but that might be a little bit too much. So now I'm going to take my finger into Exposed. It is a matte shade, but it's fine. I just want to add a little bit of pink so it's not all blue. Put it in the inner portion of the lid into the crease, mixed with that Flat Earth minty blue shade. And then for the actual lid with the blue corner, I'm going to use the shade The Simulation. So most of these shades together, I'm going to dip a tiny baby bit into my boyfriend's purse because it is a shimmer and it's just going to help mend this weirdness together. Well, I'm not crazy about how this looks whatsoever. I'm going to pop on some mascara, lashes, and lipstick, and I'll be right back. Maybe the lashes will save this look. I don't know. Alright guys, so this is look number 2 using the Mini Controversy palette. I think I don't feel great today, so this look didn't come out that great. But this is the look. I do like the pastel, like, pinky lavendery shade in the center. I just feel like the blues were fine, like they performed fine. I wish this was a little more metallic and a little less satiny, but it is still a really good shade. I can also probably use this to go in with a brush too. It would probably work fine. But yeah, this is the second look, which is kind of colorful, and we'll do a darker look for the next one. Alright, so it's time for the last look using the Mini Controversy palette. And for this one, we're going to do a little bit darker because I want to use this Ready shade again. Like, this Ready shade was really cute. I know there's purple in here. I don't know what to do with the purple, honestly. Okay, we'll figure it out. We'll make it work in this look. But I don't know what we're going for yet. I just know I want to use this red a lot because I feel like it matches my hair really cool. And like, I watched my Conspiracy palette 3 looks one video again. And I really like that grungier look. So I want to like wipe this all over my lid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with Diet Root Beer, which is the middle brown shade, which is also in the bigger palette. And I'm going to buff this all over my crease. I'm going to pack it on first, then blend it out. I'm now going to dip into the shade Cry on My Couch and just help blend underneath of my brow. My hair is an absolute wreck, but you guys, I can't brush my hair after it's like fresh out the shower. I don't believe in that. I feel like it pulls too much hair out. I've said that a million times, but like, no one else ever agrees with me. Like, if you brush your hair when it's like still like fresh out the shower, I feel like it pulls too much hair out. Next shade I'm dipping into is My Apology, which is like a little maroony shade, and I'm going to pack this. We're going to do like a halo eye thing. So, inner and outer portion of the lid, and just leave the middle part open. This is a really, really synthetic-y brush. I don't know why I brought this one in here. It's the Dominique Cosmetics DS05 brush. It's really, really synthetic-y, but like it's kind of cute too, so I don't know. It's one of the few ones of these brushes that I kept. I'm going back into a blending brush with the same My Apology shade, and I'm just going to blend this into the brown. Doesn't this look so weird? I promise it'll look better at the end. At least it did the other day. Who knows if I can make another good look like that. Now I'm just dooping a little bit of concealer in the middle. We're going to spread that out and then add something fun in the middle. For the middle, I'm going to take my boyfriend's purse, which is this shade right here, and it's a really pretty shimmery. And I'm going to pack that right in the middle. And then I'll flip-flop between the red side of the brush and the silvery side of the brush to kind of mush these colors all together and make a decent looking halo. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Controversy, which is this bright purple, pack it onto the outer little corner, just a little dash of purple under the lower lash line, and then for the rest of the lower lash line, I'm going to be using Diet Root Beer mixed with a little bit of Cry My Couch, just so it's not that dark under there. Alright, so this is our eyeshadow look. I'm going to pop on some mascara, lashes, and lipstick, and I will be right back to show you the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look using the mini Controversy. This is our third look for the video. What do we think? I actually like this look. I think it's kind of cool. I did not know what kind of lip color to wear with this whatsoever, so I don't know if this lip color matches. I tried on like 3 lips and I couldn't figure it out. It all just like seems like a lot of red, but I do think this look is pretty nice. Yeah, so overall, the mini Controversy palette, what do I think? I think it's really good for someone who is starting out in color, but is scared of color, because there's still a lot of neutral colors in here and really, really light shades. So if you're interested in color, you want to do something really light, it makes sense. You can always add one of these bright pops of color to make a brighter, fun look, or do it like I did with the purple and just kind of hide a little bit of color here and there if you're uncomfortable with it. So overall, I did like the mini Controversy palette. Which one would I get more use out of? This mini palette or the Jawbreaker mini palette? Definitely this one. I haven't reached the mini Jawbreaker palette since I bought it. I need to use it. I'll go put it in one of my month piles that I need to use. But I definitely think I get more use out of the mini one. Will I get more use out of the mini or the full-size palette? Probably the full-size palette. Definitely the full-size palette, just because there's so many fun colors in there. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, I'd love to have you here. It'd be a great time. It's free and all that good jazz. So I will see you then. Bye, guys.